Okay, let's go ahead and install Python in Windows 10. Open up your browser, whichever one you choose. Here I've chosen Firefox. And up in the URL, type www.python.org. This takes you to the website. Now, before I actually begin to download it, just let me show you something a little bit interesting. If you actually want to start using Python right away, you can use it right here in the website by clicking on this button. It launches an interactive shell. The shell is the basic calculator portion of Python. So you click on that button, you wait for, however long it takes for your internet connection to get the thing established, and it starts opening up a shell window. Once the shell window opens up, you're ready to actually start using Python. So for example, variable A equals 5, variable B equals 8, and C equals A plus B. Well, let's print C. Yeah, 8 plus 5 is 13. So I just thought I'd show you that real quick. Alright, let's go to the actual download now. Hover over Downloads, and if you're on Windows, it should say Download for Windows. If you're on Mac, it should say Download for Macintosh. Click on whatever current version of Python there is, and the download should begin immediately. Go ahead and let the executable, or the DMG file, download. Once the executable has downloaded, go ahead and click on it. This will begin the installer. Now, before you click on anything else, here at the bottom, make sure it says Add Python 3.10 to Path. You definitely want that if you're on Windows. If you're on Macintosh, shouldn't be a problem. Go ahead and click Install now. And let it run through the process. Alright, setup was successful. Let's close the installer. Let's close our browser. Now, down here in the search bar, we're going to type CMD for command, and that should bring up the command prompt. The command prompt is a text line interface that's been with Windows for a very long time now. Alright, let's see what happens when we type Python. It opens up our own version of the Python shell. And so now we have our own Python shell. A equals 10, B equals 12, C equals A times B. Let's print C, 120. To exit out of the shell, just type exit with parentheses, and it exits out of the shell. And there we go. You've now installed Python onto your Windows 10 machine. God bless you, wherever you are today.